If coding is only 20% of the software development lifecycle, what's actually slowing us down? A very experienced engineering team inside of a large tech company analyzed AI experiments across more than 100 enterprise engagements, and the number that framed everything was simple. Spec to code is maybe 10 to 30% of the system. Let's call it 20%. Even if AI doubles coding speed, you're only accelerating the fifth of the machine overall. But if we have worked in enterprise environments, we know the real drag rarely lives in the function body. It lives in a messy requirements meeting that turn into vague notes, in security reviews that stall momentum, in infrastructure requests that sit in approval queues longer than features took to build. So instead of obsessing over code generation, they pushed AI upstream, turning long discovery calls into structured PRDs in minutes, converting scattered documents into clearer specs, drafting infrastructure and deployment proposals cleanly instead of stitching them together across email threads. The interesting part is not that AI writes code faster. The interesting part is that the bottleneck shifts from typing to clarity, from implementation onto alignment, from output to review capacity. They also learned to hold strong opinions weakly, as they said. At one point, intricate prompt scaffolding helped them. Then newer models required less structure, so they adapted. They didn't cling to the workflow they had. This is where agentic engineering becomes practical. Smaller teams, tighter loops, not a reckless rush to go faster, but a deliberate increase in velocity by raising quality and buying back time to think. What's becoming scarce isn't code, it's attention, it's high quality requirements, it's human judgment. If coding is only 20% of the system, are you designing the other 80%, or are you just accelerating the smallest part and calling it progress?